This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making steamed stingray with chili bean sauce. We are all familiar with barbecue stingray, with sambal on top and grilled over a banana leaf. But there are many other ways to cook stingray. Here's the Chinese version that is fast and easy to make, saving you time and effort. This steamed stingray with chili bean sauce tastes just as good. And because this dish is steamed, there's a lot less to clean up.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Let's start with the sauce. For the aromatics, you need 3 cloves of garlic, chopped, 4 slices of ginger, julienne, 1 chili cut into strips or so. If you like it more spicy, you can use the smaller bird's eye chili instead. Put the aromatics in a bowl. To this, add 2 tablespoons of chili bean sauce. This chili bean sauce is the same as the sauce that we use for mapo tofu. Click on the card above or the link below for the mapo tofu recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of sour plum sauce. One teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of water. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan over medium heat. Pour in the sauce and bring it to a boil for about a minute. I have here 2 pieces of stingray or skate. They are about 300 grams each. Pour the sauce over the fish. Steam the stingray over high heat for about 15 minutes. Fast, easy and super tasty, steamed stingray with chili bean sauce.
Please like, share and subscribe to my daddy's channel for more interesting videos.